Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, welcome aboard. I hope you stick around and enjoy this video to keep you around and subscribe to this channel. I usually post videos on motherhood and lifestyle every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you guys want to watch more, just subscribe and keep on watching. I was watching Libby Brager with her Hello Mama YouTube channel, and she had just posted a video of her cleaning her restroom, and it inspired me to get in and start cleaning mine because she has a small restroom and I have a small restroom myself too. So my restroom has been piled up, dirty, very dirty, and I figured, like, hey, my husband was here home for work. He decided to work from home today, so I took advantage of that and I started cleaning this restroom as much as I could for the short amount of time that I had, because my husband had to take calls in and out throughout the morning. Hope you guys stick around and enjoy this speed cleaning of the restroom. And yeah, so let's get look how much I still didn't finish, but look, I even have space for my makeup and space for my skincare items, which I did not have space for that, and I had it all in the kitchen because that's pretty much what I get to do it during the day when it's just me and Ethan here, because I do not like to have him here in the restroom because he will get into everything, start rolling the toilet paper out, get everything out. So but yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.